Currently, I'm working with Voice as data engineer. So I got around 70% hike in this new organization. I started my career in 2016 with Amazon. Initially, I was working with compliance operations. Later, I moved to Python development. Even later, when I contacted Intellipaat for any support, I don't remember even a single instance when I was not getting any answer. The best part is I have live classes as well as self-paced courses. Because of that, I was able to, understand many concepts in detail after I attended live classes, and then if I see those self-paced modules again, the same concept is even more clarified. I would say thanks to Intellipaat. Because of them, I was able to, brush up my skills around Python, as well as in addition, I was able to learn Power BI and SQL. So that helped me a lot in cracking my interview and get into this job. Currently, I'm working with Voice as data engineer. So I got around 70% hike in this new organization. It is the best platform because of the team who is technically working here along with the support, because the collaboration of all is making this platform a success.